Hey friends, so today I'm going to tell you about Java operators in Java. So first I'll go through the theory, and in the next video maybe I'll show you how to implement various operators in Java. Okay, so operators in Java. So basically there are many operators in Java which are divided into following groups. I'll show you the groups. So the first one is arithmetic operators. I'll just list down all the operators and then I'll tell you a brief intro about all the operators. Okay, so the second one is relational operators. Then we have bitwise operator. Then we have logical operators. Then we have assignment operators, and another group you can say like miscellaneous operators. So now let's first take arithmetic operators. So what is arithmetic operator? So basically these operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. These operators may be binary or they may be unary. Unary operators being the incremental operator or the decrement operator, and then we have like the inverter, which turns the boolean value from inverts the boolean value basically. So what are these? Arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, then we have multiplication, and then we have division. So basically all the mathematical operations, and like modulus also. Modulus, the increment operator we say, decrement, so basically these are some arithmetic operators. We'll discuss this more with examples. I'll show you the code, how to code it and all in the next video. So let's move on to, let's just talk about briefly what are relational operators now. Relational operators. So basically relational operators, I'll take an example to show you how this works. So let's consider a variable a which contains the value 10, and we'll take another variable b which contains the value 20. Okay, so basically what these relational operators do, they check the equality. They basically tell us about the relation between the two operators. Okay, so they may return true or false. Okay, so like if there are various operators like equal to, this is the representation, this is how we represent, this is called as equal to operator. And then we have not equal to, so basically it checks if two variables are not equal or equal from these. If suppose I say, for example, a equal to b, then here a is 10 and then b is 20, so are they equal? So they are not equal. So this right here, this will return a value false. Okay, similarly in this case, if we write a not equal to b, so this will return true, because obviously they are not equal to each other, so it will return true. Okay, so these are two operators. Then we can have greater than, we all know greater than is represented by this. Then less than, then greater than or equal to, we can represent it by greater than or equal to. So what does this mean? Okay, so it basically checks if a variable is greater than another variable or not. So like if we write a greater than b, so what will be the output? Is a greater than b? No, a is 10, b is 20, so it will return false. Similarly in this, a less than b, is this true? Yes, this condition hold true, so true. This condition, the greater than equal to condition basically checks if the variable is it returns true only if the variable is two variables, if one variable is greater than other variable, or else it is equal to each other. Okay, so if they are equal to each other, it will return true. Or if the first variable or if the first variable is greater, obviously it will return true. Okay, I think you might have got a rough idea what this means. Similarly, we also have greater than, less than or equal to, and that's just right there, less than or equal to, and it is obviously represented by this less than or equal to. Okay, so let's move to the next operator. What was that? Bitwise operator. So basically bitwise, let's write it, bitwise operators. So basically in bitwise operator, it deals with the binary representation of a number. Okay, I made a spelling mistake here. Let's continue. So it basically deals with the binary format. Suppose, for example, a is having a value 60 and b may be having a value 13, let's take. So In bitwise operator, these are basically not the integer values are not no operations is performed on integer value. They are basically the binary representations of these numbers are operated with these operators. Okay, so we have various operators in this, like bitwise and, represented by and, simply and. This is bitwise and. So logical operation and uh, is done using this in binary format. So I shall write binary representation of this. Okay, so what is the binary representation of 60? So this is the binary representation. 13, for 13 it is, I'm adding 0 to make it symmetrical, nothing, because we have to perform operation of these, right? So basically when we perform A and B, A and B, so what is the output? So it's basically just ANDing these both. Okay, so 0 and 0, what is it? 0, 0 and 1, 0. So I'll just write this in this order. Okay, so 0 and 0, it will turn out to be 0. Okay, so I'll complete this. 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1. Here we have 1, then we again have 1, again 0, again 0. So basically this is what bitwise does, bitwise operator does. It basically performs logical operations or any operations in binary form of the number. Okay, so this is AND. So we also have OR, it is represented by this, it is called bitwise OR, represented by this, and then this, A or B. What will be the output? The output will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so yeah, we can also do like left shift and right shift number of times using these operators. So these are done like left shift, it is basically represented as these symbol right here. I'll just put a quotation marks here to not confuse you, because I used this above. So yeah, this is left shift, and you specify the number of shifts you want to do, like if you want to shift by 2. So let's take an example. How do we write it? We want to left shift 60 by 2 bits. So how it will be done? So 60 binary representation of 60 is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So what we do is we shift to the left side. Each bit is shifted to the left side 2 times. So what will be the output? 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is a left shift. We can also do the right shift. We just have to do the opposite of this. We have to go to the right. So let's go to the next operator now.